Welcome guys again to my tutorial number 11. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to start learning about functions. Okay, this was from my previous tutorial. Let me just erase this one. So what you can see here, this one is called a function. It has what data type it is going to return. Anyway, don't mind the word return now. And it has a name, it has a parameter here, and it has a method body or a function body. Oh, okay guys, sorry, a function is also called a method. Okay, so what this does is a function is like a small piece of code separated from others, but all within they are within the same class. Okay, yeah, so let me come again. A function is a small piece of code inside a body, but it's inside a class. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this main function is inside a class, which is here we don't know it, but the file itself, this one is the class. When it gets compiled, it's like it's within a class which has a main function inside it. Okay, so in here you can write whatever code you want. Yeah, it's inside here. But this main function, whenever I see int main, this is the starting point of our program. So if the computer does not see this, it won't execute. Okay, so as we are doing, as we say print, this is a method body. Okay, let me just show you this one. This is a method body. Okay, so but we have our own freedom of creating our own methods. Okay, we are not restricted to write everything in here, but you can separate and just call your methods inside here. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a method or a function and calling it inside the main function. Okay, if you don't call it, it won't execute even if you cry. Okay, yeah, so let's create another one. Let's say int some two numbers. Okay, this function we're putting it to sum two numbers. It could be possible to write it in here, just summing up the numbers here, and it will direct execute. But what we call good programming, you need to separate those ones and at least give space so others, the code can be readable to others. Okay, so in here, to sum up two numbers, we can declare variables for two numbers. I'll say num1 is equal to 45. Okay, and num2 is equal to 10. Okay, for the result, int num result. Okay, let's just do it like that, or we can say it's 0 or okay. So to print out the result, we're going to say printf. Don't forget this one, otherwise you have an error. It's num1 plus num2. Okay, for easy readability, let's just cut this one and say, and here we just say num result is equal to num. Okay, let's paste that, and here we can just call the num result. Okay, I'm not going to call it in here. I just want to show you something, guys. If you learn this, you see there's nothing here. We have no errors, but the computer didn't execute our second function. This one, it didn't. It's not being seen here. Okay, so to call a function or a method to be executed, we need to specify its name inside here. Okay, I told you guys this is the starting point. Okay, so to do that, just write. Okay, as you can see, as you can see, the interface is already knows that this should be present, and this is important for this function to run. Okay, so just do like that, and then boom, run it. 45 plus 10 is 55. Yeah, so that is easy, guys. So you can have multiple of this, but with different names. Okay, if you put the same one, the compiler will complain. Let's say this one to subtract 2 numbers. Okay, and we change here, put a minus sign. Okay, let me just show you another thing. You see, it is only giving us 55 because we haven't coded this one, the second one. Okay, let me append the new line so that we can see the results clear. Okay, and we go subtract 2 numbers. Oh, there was a typo here. Let me change. And learn that. Boom. 45 minus 10 is 55. Yeah, so guys, that's how we write functions in C. Okay, more tutorials to come. I'll show you guys better ways of writing these ones and simplifying everything inside your programs. Yeah, so let me say goodbye. Watch subscribe to my channel, spread the news, stay safe, stay cool. See you in Ghana.